This is where they filmed the movie Casino.
Rich, where are we at right now?
We're at Las Vegas Country Club, Regency Towers. We're filming upstairs. We're going up. We're all the way up. I got so many keys, I'm like a janitor.
Damn, son.
This person died.
In here?
No. Is Rich from the future?
My eyes are looking at this fucking bling bling shit. Look at this fucking earring, dog. This is a good location, but we're here at this Goodies Pie Pizza we're gonna try out.
I would vote Savannah, but I doubt you'll be here.
Which one is the vegan pizza?
My vegan pie is gonna be this one down here. The very bottom. Perfect.
Cool. You want one or two slices?
Two, please.
2 slices of those, please.
Got it. What else?
I'm gonna go with one of the Sicilian cheese, please.
Let me try the meat lovers here and also the Supreme.
If we sit out here, can you call our name out the window? I'll just grab.
Yeah, totally.
My man.
Oh.
We're just gonna have you pay the fast right here, and then you guys can have a seat, and I'll.
Cool.
Here you go.
Now I got it, Rich.
I got it.
You sure?
Yep.
Hey, look at this. He got the plastic. I got the plastic one. He got the metal one.
I got a lot of these metal ones.
Oh, should we get something to drink?
Yes.
Get a vodka, right?
Oh, do you have vodka? That would be my
I think they
dream.
got Tito's.
Oh,
I have
yes. Oh, okay. Well, let me be a gentleman. Do you want anything to drink?
Water.
You want a soda? Water? You don't want soda?
Just water.
Okay. May we please have a bottle of water? And then what do you want to drink?
Coke, Pepsi.
Okay. Coca-Cola, please. My man?
Pepsi, please.
Same?
And I'll take a Diet Coke.
Okay.
Hey, man, this is pretty dope. Just chilling. I should be working, but we chilling. Now, as far as the scale up, because I noticed that you've been scaling up your business pretty quickly, right? You're constantly turning and burning money. Would you say single-family residence flip or apartment complex?
Apartment complexes are a job.
Is it really?
It's not. The problem is that a single family home or a townhome, it can be passive cash flow.
Yeah.
And an apartment complex is something where it is not. So if you live in California or you live in Texas or wherever and you want to invest in Las Vegas, it is not passive.
Yeah.
And I own a real estate brokerage, and I hate to say it, but any outside real estate brokerage that you hire to manage your apartment complex, all of your cash flow will be gone with fees. Where if you buy Class A properties in good school districts, then you can have a portfolio that you can retire off of.
Yeah.
It's like buying a blue chip stock.
Yeah. Sounds fucking boring. That's the conservative approach. But I've noticed that you guys are flipping a lot of properties, right?
Yeah.
So,
well, again, you said if you had that for the long term.
yeah.
If you want to flip properties, no one is flipping apartment complexes. That's why I am.
Yeah.
So for a short-term flip to, rapidly and exponentially increase the money in your account, then, go after fourplexes.
Yeah.
But you have to be very wise in your decision on what you pick and what the tenants are, and you have to know what you're going to spend before you go into it.
Now, when you first got started in flipping properties, did you get scared?
Well, I was 19 years old.
Damn, you started when you
Yay!
You started when you was 19?
Thank you. Yeah, straw would be awesome. Yeah. I started buying apartment complexes at 19.
Damn.
Thank you so much.
You smell that pizza? It smells good.
Oh, yeah.
You got what you wanted, son. Paper straw?
I usually do.
I know.
Yeah, I started buying condos, single-family homes, and apartment complexes. And then a lot of people were like, yeah, right, how did you buy apartment complexes at 19? You can't get a loan. I bought apartment complexes under owner financing called all-inclusive trust deeds.
Okay.
So the owner would carry the note and finance me, and I would fix them up and sell them within a 2-year period. The risk is that if I didn't sell them in 2 years, that he would foreclose on me and get the fixed up apartment complex.
Yeah.
So it was a risk. I was 19. I figured go for it.
When did you make your first million? I'm talking about not asset-wise. I'm talking about $1 million in the bank.
Say by the bell.
20?
Let's see here. Move my vodka.
Oh, thank you. I'll get that in just a second. Yeah. Dang, look at all this food, son.
Which one is the vegan one?
So I know that's a tough question, but every entrepreneur wants to know that, man.
When I was, I think, 20, I was living on a house on the golf course.
Okay.
And I called my dad because I didn't know anything about, you know, being an adult at 20. I was just working really, really hard. I got my real estate license at 18. So I went to my dad's house and I was like, hey, can you help me do my taxes? And he was like, yeah. He's like, show me all, you know, your income and expenses. And then he was doing the numbers and he goes, do you know how much money you just made this year? And I was like, no. They just give me a piece of paper. I take it to the bank. I wear t-shirts all day. I don't care. And he's like, you made like $1 million this year.
Damn.
And that was pretty cool. I mean, again, I just took the money and bought more property. I'm not a fancy person.
But I noticed at one point, you married, had kids, suit, tie kind of guy.
Yeah.
At one point. Driving the Bentleys, right?
Yeah, Bentleys, Range Rovers, Lamborghinis.
All those cars, right? And it's like now you just live like a simple life, bro.
Well, that's the best way for me.
So what's the story behind that?
I don't know. I just wanted to live a different type of life.
Yeah.
You know, we're in a world in Las Vegas where everyone is kind of consumed by materialism and like, it's okay, go to a nightclub. I go to a nightclub once in a while, but I don't want to go every night. And I just made a decision that I want to search for a deeper meaning in life.
Yeah.
And my real estate projects are not even so much about money anymore. It's mostly about creating something like art, you know?
You know, I can see that because I can see that in the properties. But also I've noticed that once you make a certain dollar amount, your mindset changes, right? When was that that moment for you? The pinnacle moment for you? Because it seems like at one point you just stopped and was like, you know what? Fuck it, I'm just going to be who I am. I'm making money. It's not even about the money anymore. It's about myself. I'm going to be who I am. Like, when was that moment?
Well, I've always been about who I am.
Okay.
I mean, I don't change for anyone. And I don't...
I can see that.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's just, I've been listening to my mom since I was 3 years old. So I'm not going to listen to anyone else. My goal is to live a unique life, something special, something unbelievable.
And you do, because like every time I look on Instagram, you're always at another place, man, and you're always doing something. But what I do is I live my life through you. He got the money, so I'm like, go ahead and do it. Let me just see what's going on.
Well,
which is dope.
Recently, last time we were on the podcast,
yeah,
I was still living in my house, which is where you and I met. A guy saw my house, I think, on the internet, and then he came to see it, and he's like, I want to buy that house. And I was like, well, it's not really for sale, but whatever. And he's like, I'll pay you X amount for it. I was like, okay. So I took it, and I got rid of all my belongings. I left my house with my suitcase and a backpack on. Yeah. And I put 2 things in my safety deposit box.
What was it?
Picture of my kids, picture of me and my brothers.
Dope.
And then I decided to travel around the world and basically became homeless. And one night you'd catch me in London. I rented a castle. The whole castle, you could see a picture of me sitting there by myself.
Seen that.
And then the next night you see me sleeping on the floor in a mental hospital in Scotland.
Okay.
And then the next night I was sleeping on a couch in Israel in a house owned by the United States government with guards outside.
So how did you even get there? Did you meet people as you were going and became friends?
I have friends, and I mean, I've been traveling for a long time, but this is a time where I traveled without a home to come back to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have friends in, 50 different countries.
So if you can share that one thing, right, to the audience, that one person that's like 19, 18, that's getting started and wants to be in a position like yourself, what advice, just that one advice that you can actually give them?
I would just say there's no such thing as easy money. And if you work really, really hard and you work smart and you plan for your future, then the inevitable will occur. You will become rich.
Damn, I love that, man. Oh, guys, I'm going back to work. I'm out of here.
It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I did the best. Yes. I copped that crib and bought 2 chains and then I hid the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the most. I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I fill my mattress, pay my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that to the streets.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, this is pimping, dog. Damn.
This is success.
Dude, this is like, I made it. I'm on top. So what's the deal with this? Matter of fact, where the hell are we at right now? Let's start off with that. Where are we at right now?
We're touring the unit at Trump Towers. This is a listing that our company has, Rothwell Gorn Companies, Richard Crighton. Thank you for letting us tour it. My brother. This unit was owned by Eric Trump, Donald Trump's son, and it was totally, I mean, it's soup to nuts, redone. It is the best of the best, the creme de la creme.
Damn, this thing is just clean, dude. So everything's all for sale with the furniture and all that?
Rock and roll. Bring your toothbrush, move on in.
Dude, look at that rock and roll. Let's take a look at this. What is the primary? Dang, look at these LED lights above here. Dude, this is like the best unit, dude. I'm telling you.
Look at that.
You see this, Rudy?
You can't be a millionaire to own this unit. You have to have 100 million to own this unit. Yeah, this is...
You literally see down the strip, dude, like down the road, dude. You know what's great about this Trump Tower? Everything is all right here. Shopping, dining. You're literally on the strip.
Totally agree. You walk right downstairs.
Yep.
You go to the Fashion Show Mall. You go get a steak sandwich at the Capitol Grill. You have everything at your fingertips. Literally, look.
Dang. This is crazy. Have you been here before, Rich?
I just bought a unit in here. I've never even seen it.
So Rich is actually the broker and the owner of the company. So he kind of runs things behind the scenes. Right?
I'm the guy behind the guy.
Yeah. But dude, you also have a window out here. I mean, look at this, man. This is like big pimping right here, dude. It gets no better than that.
Yeah. Actually, it truly does not get better than this.
I don't think Eric Trump's ever been here. This place is clean, dude.
Right?
And your client, he bought it and he's selling it now. Has he even been here?
He has been here, yes.
Okay.
So funny story. Oh, so it's his and her bathroom.
Oh, so that's what it is.
Yeah. So this would be his bathroom. That would be the her bathroom.
Okay, so that's what it is. Okay. Oh, take a look at this. This actually goes all the way across. So you have that his and hers, and you have the shower in between. So that way you ain't got to see your old lady made doo-doo, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Interesting story is that our client bought this, and he was getting in the elevator, and another gentleman got in the elevator with him.
Yeah.
And there's only one floor higher than this floor. We actually tried to get that for him, but they were all sold out. Mm-hmm. And so he pressed floor number 63. The other guy pressed floor number 64. Uh-huh. And then he called us immediately. He said, "Put it in the market. I can't have someone living above me." That's how rich. That's how rich you have to be to have these units.
Damn, that's crazy. So how many bedrooms is this?
Good question.
Oh, see, I'm gonna say 2 bedrooms, or maybe 3. I don't know. Oh, here's the kitchen. Look at this kitchen. It's pretty clean, dude. Also, your rehabs look like this too.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what your house looks like when you're done. Look at all this.
This is for a particular type of person who wants to come to Vegas. They have 4 houses and they have a house in Monaco, a house in Florida, house in Beverly Hills, house in Las Vegas, and they don't even travel with clothes. They have their clothes in the closet waiting for them. So I just show up, come here, go.
Your average person ain't buying this. Like, you gotta be a baller, dude.
Powder room.
Bathroom.
Okay, so this is what we used to call when we're cheating on our wives. This is the get the hell out. Yeah, this is the mistress.
Hurry, she's coming.
Yeah.
Get the hell out. I noticed there's another one in the kitchen too, right?
Okay, so.
What is this, bedroom 2, right?
Yep.
So it has its own bath. This thing's got a view too. Oh, this is like a little suite here. Look at this.
We'll take it.
Damn, even this. Man, he's got this whole corner unit, basically. This whole building.
The best of the best. Look at Madison Square Garden right there and Palazzo. So you're in the Trump, billionaire. You're overlooking the Wynn, billionaire. You're looking at Palazzo, Sheldon Adelson, billionaire. Psh, I mean, maybe I should buy this.
You probably should, because look at where you're sitting right now, Rich.
Yeah, that's my apartment. But also, I own an apartment in here too. So
That's true.
What's up?
Not one, but two.
The coffered ceilings right here, the crown molding, everything is done to the finest attention to detail.
Got marble flooring.
Calcutta marble.
Damn. I don't even know how to act right now.
It's the best of the best.
Look, you got a window here on this side too.
I could picture my future ex-wife having a bath in here.
Ex-wife.
This is what I love about the details. Is, you know, even at the door jamb, the bottom here is marble. I mean, let's talk money.
Money, money. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like more video content like this, let us know in the comments below. Also, I'm going to have a link in the description below with this property. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, peace.